good morning. I made my way over to Hampton Bays, New York. It's the Shinnecock Inlet, and it's still kind of dark. The light you're seeing on me is actually a full moon practically above me, and you can see behind me the sun hasn't yet risen. It's still about 45 minutes before sunrise. I came here to shoot some old pilings in the ocean that I think you have to come at the right time of day as far as the tides go to get it right. I think I got it right. It's still too dark to see it, so I'm going to scout out a little bit, find the best composition, and I'll set things up. I didn't love the way those piling shots came out, so I headed over to this rock pier that juts out into the ocean, see if I can get some other shots before the sun rose.